decisive breakthroughs in predicting the impact of human activity on Earth's threatened ecosystems. This is what these two ecologists, the American Jean Likens and the Dutchman Marten Scheffer, have achieved thanks to their pioneering research. And that's why they've been awarded with the BBVA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the category of Ecology and Conservation Biology. Likens in the early 1960s discovered the impact of acid rain and its fatal environmental consequences.
First sample that we collected in July of 1963 had an acidity that was about 100 times more acid than we expected it to be.
This scientific discovery is one of the first to have resulted in successful environmental legislation. The impact of acid rain in the United States has been reduced by 80% since Likens made that first measurement, although in other regions of the world the problem continues to be serious.
So in the United States in 1990 we passed the Clean Air Act, but in Southeast Asia, where pollution is increasing, their acid rain is going to increase even more than it is currently.
With disastrous consequences for water, soil or forests, mainly due to the burning of fossil fuels. As Likens did, Scheffer demonstrated years later that human action can trigger a sudden collapse of ecosystems, with effects that are sometimes potentially irreversible, a phenomenon known as tipping points.
It can happen that the pressure puts them close to a critical point, a threshold, a tipping point, at which the smallest perturbation can cause the system to collapse.
Scheffer not only gives solutions to prevent this collapse, but also looks for indicators that tell us if the catastrophic change is near or not. He says that in many cases we still have time to find solutions, as in the case of the Doñana marshes or the melting ice in Greenland. The work of these two ecologists now serves as a guide in decision-making to face pollution risks, and even in the successful restoration of ecosystems that have suffered serious deterioration.